Today I show you an unboxing of a UV flashlight I ordered from AliExpress, and it's a 60 watts flashlight. Supposedly it's 60 watts. I will see. I will try to see if it's more powerful than my existing one. I have this one. It's a smaller flashlight for fishing. You can't really see it here, but it is pretty good. It's showing things. But I want to see if this one, how much more powerful it is. From what I understand, this one, I see it has, this one has one LED there, and that one has 6 LEDs. So if this one with 6 LEDs has 60 watts, the other one is 10 watts, I guess. 60 watts high power 6 LED UV flashlight, 365 nanometers. This is a pretty good UV range to see rocks by the beach, glowing rocks, or to check banknotes, UV verification methods. And it has a filter so it doesn't let visible light through too much. Purple for different things. Okay, it has zoom. Interesting. It's fixed focus, so there's no zoom. Some manufacturer information. On the other side there is the package information, but I'm not gonna show that, hopefully. Let's see what's inside this bag. I got it from AliExpress. I paid for it. This is not a sponsored video, and I might put links in the description for Amazon and AliExpress. So look in the description if you want to find interesting how they packed it. They put it in this cardboard, so it goes, or maybe just that's how it comes. Nothing else in the box. I guess that's how they have them. Yeah. So this is the original packing. A plain brown cardboard box, and here we have some information. 6 LEDs, I guess, 365 nanometers, which is good, the same as the one I have, and it's showing the UV signs on the banknotes and on the passport also, and some model information. SPC AJ1216 and M05A05, whatever that is. So this thing was opened, but it doesn't really matter. It's pretty heavy though. It feels, I paid, it wasn't very cheap. It wasn't cheap, and it's including battery, so okay. Oh, there's this holder thing, it's really strong. And there is a holder for AAA batteries with all this stuff on it. I think that's from the cardboard box, hopefully not something else. So I can use AAA batteries. It's a nice backup. Keep it like that, like a battery. But I hope there is the lithium battery in here also. Okay. Oh, one USB-C cable. So it is USB-C, not USB micro USB. I don't want that. These things, it's nice to keep them. You can use these cable ties to tie cables, imagine. And the charging cable, it's always good to have an extra charging cable. It's always good to have an extra USB-C cable. I don't know the quality of this, but it's not too long and it's more portable. But it's also, it doesn't feel very cheap. Like the quality of it, it's thicker, so at least it has the wires necessary. It's only USB 2.0 though. But for charging, you don't need more than USB 2.0. USB 3 is mostly for speed. Let's smell it, this one. Okay. Wow. Wow, this is really big. I didn't think it would be that big. I mean, this one, that's a Okay, not such a big difference, but it's heavy. There is nothing else in the box, so I really hope the battery is inside of this thing here. Let's see. Wow, doesn't really look like the one I bought, but maybe it is. It's really heavy. Well, I think the battery is inside of it. Feels pretty solid. Vastfire, these brands, the Chinese brands, they are many kinds of brands, and it's good that it has the warning. I like this. It has this warning: do not look directly at UV. So when you use this, when it's on, better not look there. This is the filter, so it's not gonna let. This filter is basically a black piece of glass that will not let visible light through, but it will let UV light through. So it's pretty solid. I like this thing. It feels really, actually it feels good quality. I'm gonna smell test it. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything toxic. It doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't smell like anything toxic. It doesn't smell like anything bad, like that petroleum smell. Here it's some charging port. 5 volts, 2 amps. Oh, and it's pretty good. Ah, interesting. So you can use two. Maybe you can use it as a power bank also. That would be interesting. So it's a USB-C and a USB-A cable. And it goes in really well there. I don't know if it's waterproof. It has some ventilation, these fins for its vents. And this thing is removable, this lanyard. This lanyard is removable, but actually you want to have it on. And oh, there is this adjusting thing. Don't know exactly what to do with this. Ah yeah, it doesn't come out like that, so I guess you could put it on your hand, put it on your arm. I have to open it all the way like that, and then you tighten it if you can. I don't know, I'm sure there is some good use for that. It's too tighten to make this loop shorter, but this looks like it's good quality. So this part will get a bit hot when used, especially in full power mode. And when you need to charge the battery inside, you don't need to use an external charger. You can simply plug in. You can plug in the charger from here. I'll try it now. I'll use a longer cable. I'll use a longer cable, my IKEA cable here, and let's see charging how it looks like. I don't see any light, but maybe the charging, it's from a USB hub. It's some red light there. Okay, so when it's charging, let's unplug it. It's off. And when I charge it, this is on. And I want to see if the UV light will work while it's charging. And it's working. Wow, cool. I like that. So with the power bank, if you have a power bank connected to this thing, it will have almost unlimited lifetime, because of this could get hot, the LEDs could get hot, so I don't recommend using it on full power. But you do a charging. Oh, this feels a bit rubbery. This feels a bit rubbery here. I like the feel. It's really pretty good build quality. It was not cheap, but I believe it's worth it. I'll put links in the description with this style of flashlight, and I looked at many kinds, and I believe this one with the 6 with the 6 LEDs, 60 watts. It's really a pretty good option. There were some rated at 80 or 100, but I didn't really think it was real. I'm not sure if this one is real, but it looks real to me. So I'll let it charge and give it a test to see what I can find with it. I hope this helps you get an idea of how this UV flashlight work, and be careful with your eyes. Be careful with children. Especially don't give this to a child. Thanks for watching.